We want to start tonight with Storm teammates Kyle Underwood and all the buzz surrounding a big snowstorm this Friday, Kyle.
Okay, so you can see behind us, we have a little bit of snow falling right now. It's going to continue to flurry or light snow for the rest of tonight and tomorrow. But Friday is going to be a different story. We've got a pretty potent system coming our way. And right now, this thing is still up in British Columbia, so it's a long ways away. But its reach spreads into the northern plains. And it's going to start spreading snow into West Michigan after midnight Thursday night, early Friday morning, and we're talking about some substantial totals. Probably not our biggest snowstorm of the winter for parts of West Michigan, but some places may come close. So between now and early Friday morning, you can see that light snow continues. We may pick up an inch or two on the high end, but most places probably not even enough to shovel. I've stopped this midnight Friday morning. This is when the snow starts spreading in from our next system, and I'm pausing this again 9 a.m. Friday. I think we will have some tough travel here Friday morning. We could see a quick 2 to 4 inches of snow come overnight Friday into early Friday morning. Tough travel. We could be talking about some school closures or delays, and that snow keeps coming. Grand totals from this system, give or take an inch, about 4 inches for Grand Rapids and Muskegon, and then Holland, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek to the south. We're talking half foot plus.